Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got another cool horn to look at. So we've got a Tampa Leslie RS5T in front of us today. So Tampa referring to where it was manufactured. Also that kind of refers to age. It is a RS5T, meaning it has a spiked back power chambers. Tampa, so 1985 is when Leslie moved from Parsippany to Tampa. They went from Parsippany RS heads, there's Parsippany on the back cap cast, to Tampa back cap, Tampa cast on the back caps. So that's the difference there. Personally, most people think quality kind of dropped when they started releasing these Tampa horns. Maybe not the early ones, which is what this one is a more early Tampa horn. But the new ones are kind of questionable. But anyway, RS5T, it's got a 25, 31, 37, 44, 55. This one actually I think is a full orifice. Yeah, this is an RF. This is a full orifice horn, so that refers to your dowel pins that are in the bells. The dowel pins slide through the manifold. They're a part of the bell. They slide through the manifold into the power chamber. Your dowel pins on a variable orifice horn have different hole sizes, which allows more or less air to travel through that whatever given bell. Full orifice means each bell has the largest size dowel pin, so it's fully open. It's the loudest you can get. They really scream at you. So anyway, this horn actually is really loud, but it sounds great. This is a painted horn. It was bare aluminum when I got it. I cleaned it up, went ahead and painted it. This pretty blue color, so I thought this was probably be a good look, and it looks pretty good. So I guess that's about it. In the run by, the first run by, I wanted to see what this horn would sound like with me running at speed. So I think I was running 60, 65 mile an hour when I passed the camera. So it sounded pretty good. But anyway, I guess that's about it, guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is a early, like mid 2000s Tampa RS5T.